Hello everyone! A quick tutorial about masking with Retouch4me Dust plugin. Copy background layer. Go to Filter, Retouch4me Dust. Start with Fine Dirt mode. If this is not enough, repeat in medium and coarse dirt modes. Dust removed, but we need to keep glares and some pizza details. So let's create a mask. Go to Select, Subject, then add a layer mask. Invert it with Control or Command +I. Enjoy clean table. And you can record this in action and run in batch mode. If you can't find automatic subject detection in your Photoshop, try this. Run Retouch4me Dust on a new layer. Enable Make Mask. This will create overlay to work with. Here is it. Let's mask our subject. Add layer mask. Take black brush. And paint over regions you want to keep untouched. Pizza. Glares on tomatoes. By using layer mask instead of eraser tool, you can quickly undo any part with white brush. Try now on your photos. Check out other Retouch4me video guides.